Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. In this new video on 3-minute series for prelims, we'll be discussing about India's initiative to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions. The discussion for today is about the National and State Action Plan on Climate Change, also called as the NAPCC. It was formally launched in the year 2008 and this was mainly launched to ensure sustainable development. That is, on the one hand promoting developmental activities and also taking care about the climate change on the other hand. And this has been coordinated by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, and it is implemented through the nodal ministries. And the Ministry of Environment has also motivated the state governments to prepare State Action Plan for Climate Change to create institutional capacities and also implement the state level activities to address the climate change. Through this mission, the Government of India has designated about 8 national core missions. These are National Solar Mission, National Mission for Enhanced Energy Efficiency, National Mission on Sustainable Habitat, National Water Mission, National Mission for Sustaining the Himalayan Ecosystem, National Mission for Green India, National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture, and the National Mission on Strategic Knowledge on Climate Change. We'll be discussing about the brief objectives of each of these missions. The main objective of the National Solar Mission is to install about 100 gigawatts of solar power by 2022. Of this, 40 gigawatts to be from the rooftop solar power and the rest 60 gigawatt to be obtained from the grid-connected solar power projects. These grid-connected are medium and large projects. And it also seeks to deploy 20 million solar lighting system for the rural areas by 2022. And the National Mission for Enhanced Efficiency seeks to shift the energy efficient appliances, that is, air conditioners and refrigerators which consume more power, to be shifted to star rating which consume less power and provide the optimum cooling requirements. And similarly, to promote the fiscal instruments for energy efficiency. For example, Perform Achieve Trade was a system launched by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency to enhance the transparency in the sale of carbon certificates, and also the market-based mechanism to enhance the cost effectiveness of improvement in energy intensive large industries. The PAT is another example of this objective as well. The third mission is the National Mission on Sustainable Habitat, and the objectives are to optimize the energy demand in buildings by improvement in the energy efficiency, and also the management of solid and liquid waste, focus on generating power from the waste. This is called waste to energy. Some of the missions which are promoted through the sustainable habitat are Amrut Mission, that is Atal Mission on Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation, and the Swachh Bharat Mission, Smart Cities Mission are all implementation mechanisms for the National Mission on Sustainable Habitat. And the fourth one is the National Water Mission. It seeks to increase the water use efficiency by 20% through regulations, differential entitlements and pricing. It also seeks to enhance the storage above and below the ground level and implement rainwater harvesting. Now let us solve this question. Consider the following statements regarding National Action Plan on Climate Change. Each mission is implemented through a nodal ministry. National Solar Mission seeks to add solar power up to 40 gigawatts by 2022. The correct answer is A, as we have just seen that the National Solar Mission seeks to add about 100 gigawatts by 2022, and of that only 40 gigawatts is through rooftop solar power. Therefore, the correct option is A. Thank you.